Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here and you like a pond build and anything else koi related, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future content. And for those of you that are returning and have already subscribed, thanks again. I really do appreciate it. As promised, on my last video I did say that when I hit 100 subscribers I would be holding a giveaway, and I'm going to hold my word to that, and details coming up on how to enter that giveaway. I've been getting a lot of comments since the last video. I did ask for advice on the two drum filters that I was looking at, the Koi and the filterhouse. Thanks for everyone that's given me their views on those two drum filters. Really appreciate it, and it's helped me to make my choice. I think I will be going with the Koi. Haven't seen a bad review about it yet, so yeah, thanks to everyone that's given me feedback on those filters. Right, so it's the 15th of October. I was hoping to get the block work done by the end of September, so I'm a couple of weeks behind. No biggie. I set myself that deadline mainly because of the weather that comes in October, but it's been quite good to me up until now. So yeah, this weekend I'm hoping to get that block work finished. And then I can move on to the timber work for the filterhouse. So let's get out there, see if we can get this block work finished. I've also had a delivery which I'm going to show you, which follows on from the video from last week. So yeah, got that to show you. So yeah, without further ado, we'll get out there now. But first, details on how you can win the giveaway and what you need to do to enter. Okay, so as promised, for hitting that milestone of 100 subscribers, I'm having a giveaway. A couple of prizes. So first prize first, 1 kilo of PMF koi food, 45% growth protein, or 44%, sorry, supreme growth. I believe this is rebranded koipond. I use it to mix it in with the sake. Obviously I don't think many of us can afford to feed sake all time, so yeah, I mix this in. So yeah, 3 ml PMF koi food, supreme growth, 44% protein. That'll be first prize. Second prize, this limited edition Koi Central hand painted by a machine mug. There's only 6 of these. The missus has got one for a Christmas present. She collects coffee mugs, so she's going to be over the moon with that. But yeah, second prize, Koi Central mug. I'm going to ask a question, and at the end of if you keep watching till the end of the video, I'll let you know exactly what you need to do with the answer. So at some point in this video, my 4-legged friend, our black Labrador, is going to make an appearance. Usually it's to run in my concrete, but he will make an appearance in this video. All I need to know is what is his name. Okay, so yeah, find out what his name is, join me at the end of the video, and I'll let you know what you need to do to enter. Anyone can enter, subscriber or no subscriber. So yeah, what is my dog's name? Right, I've got a delivery. Pretty sure I know what it is because I've only ordered one thing. This is following on from last week's video. Jeez. It's definitely packed well. Get rid of that. Just run out of bubble wrap, obviously. Ooh. Wow, that is big. I wasn't expecting it to be as big as that, but yeah, I'm happy with it. Oh, you know what it is yet? There we go. New skimmer from JBR Plastics. There's my front plate coming off there. I'll tell you what, I'll get it out in the daylight and we'll have a look out there. Right, so yeah, out in the light, it's got the skimmer set up on the block work. I will be putting it in the middle. Just wanted to put it there just to see how it fits in. It's pretty much the size of a concrete block, or 2 concrete blocks there, and then the back comes down nicely with 4-inch pipe work and overflow there. Definitely sits a lot better than the Cockney koi skimmer that I showed you on the last video. I am happy with it. I'll show you the inside. A removable basket there. Massive capacitor. That's the overflow. Adjustable overflow as well. I had to laugh. I think, yeah, it was Ads Koi did a video 3 or 4 weeks ago about koi tax. Yeah, this is a prime example. Not the cheapest thing to buy for the pond, but I'm glad I've gone with this option now. It looks a lot tidier, and it's going to fit a lot better in the block work. It's going to look nice when it's in its final place. Comes with a lid as well, obviously. Still haven't brought that out yet. So yeah, happy with that. Right, it's Saturday. Weather wasn't meant to be too great today, but it stayed dry up until now. Late start. I've had to take the dog to the vets this morning, so I've probably got 2 or 3 hours today. A few hours tomorrow to hopefully get this block work finished. I'm going to go 6 blocks high. I've just done some calculations, and yeah, I think that'll be enough for me. I think once all the rest of the digging's done out as well, I'll be looking at 14,000 litres, which is enough really. I don't really want to go any higher than that. Obviously go up to the 20,000s, which was what I was originally planning. If you ever need to treat the pond, it's going to cost more, etc, etc. So yeah, I'm just going to go 6 high, as long as the window looks alright, which I think it will. So yeah, I'm going to get the mixer out now, get this 5th course finished, get the corners in, rest of the corners in, yeah, and go from there. Right, that's the 5th layer done, 5th course done, up that side and round the back. It's took me a little bit longer than it needed to, but because it's been raining round the back of there, it's really muddy, so I've been trying to carry blocks up there without slipping over. This is obviously it's tight to get up there, so yeah, I've done that bit as well. That's the position I'm going to be having the skimmer. Put a couple more blocks in there. I've just got 1 block to cut to fit in there, so the skimmer's just slightly off centre. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm glad, even though it's cost me money I didn't really want to spend. I'm glad I've gone for that option over the Cockney koi skimmer. So if anyone wants to buy a Cockney koi skimmer, wide mouth, going cheap, give me a shout. I'll be selling that. Not that one, I'll be selling the Cockney koi skimmer. So yeah, give me a shout if you're after one. Here's Loki. He's been to the vets today. He's got a bad paw. Now you're showing us your paw, are you? Yeah. Bad paw. Yeah, that's Loki. That'll be the answer to the question for the giveaway. Off he goes. Okay, so it's Sunday. One last push today to hopefully get this block work done. Final course a couple more blocks to do on the front here by the window, but 6 cores going in. I need to get the corners in and get them level with each other. See if I've got a piece of timber long enough to make sure they're level before I put the rest of the runs in. Obviously the last course is the most important, to make sure you got your levels right. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking. Right, so I'm getting there. Got about another 2 hours left before I have to start getting ready for work tomorrow. Gotta get up mega early again. So basically I've just got to do that little run there, that little couple of blocks there, the back is inside here, just 2 little blocks in there. It's slippy as hell up there, so yeah, it's a bit of a mission. So yeah, hopefully I can bang this out now in 2 hours, fingers crossed. Right, thank God for that. I'm done with the block work at last. Tell you what, it's harder than it looks. Window levels aren't too bad, off a little bit here and there, but I couldn't ask for much more, to be honest. Don't think I've done a bad job. Skimmer. Go there nicely. View the window from the patio. Quite happy with that size. So yeah, block work done. Next jobs are going to be the timber work for the filter house. Get the sides up for that. Get a roof on it. I'll put the 4-post brackets on as well. At some point. But yeah, I'm glad that is done. Right guys, that's it. Thank God the block work is done. To say I'm happy about it is an understatement. Been on the blocks for what, 4 or 5 weekends now. Yeah, I'm glad I've got it finished. So yeah, I'm moving on. We're going to be heading for the filter house, starting some of the timber work. So I'll try and get some of that started next week. Okay, so the giveaway. You obviously saw the name of my Labrador in that video, Loki, if you missed it. All you need to do to enter, give yourself a chance of winning, is like the video, give us a thumbs up on it, and write Loki in the comments section. I'll keep it open, I'll keep the competition open for 2 weeks from the release of this video. So give everyone a chance to get involved. So yeah, leave a like, put the answer in the comments, and I'll draw it in a couple of weeks' time. Once again, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button to see more content and to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos. That's pretty much it, so I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.